Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. This year for Valentine's Day, I thought it would be fun to make necklaces, and I love making things out of candy. I just love edible jewelry. I just think it's super, super fun. So I'm going to teach you how to make this really cute chocolate heart, and it is, you can wear it on one side or the other, so it's reversible. This very cute chocolate heart necklace, and I'm going to show you how to make one right now. For this project, you will need flat-backed candy, yarn, silk cord, any kind of string as long as it is non-stretchy, glue dots, and scissors. So I'm going to be using a red and a silver heart so that I can make it reversible. Now here's the thing, you just want to make sure that your candy is a flat back candy. That's all you need to do to make sure that this craft works correctly. You just want to make sure it's got a flat back to it. And you want to make sure that the two sides, you're going to use two pieces of candy, and you want to make sure that those two sides fit together nicely. They fit together exactly. So they're like mirror images of each other, which is exactly what you want. First thing, I'm going to take 5 glue dots. Now here's the thing. You can use a low temp glue gun, but I would not suggest it just because it melts the candy and you don't want to ruin the candy. So I'm putting glue dots all over the back basically. So I'm going to start with that bottom point, and then I'm going to put one in each of the rounded parts of the heart, and then I'm going to fill up the center in between there as well. And you only need to put glue dots on one candy. So now I've got all my glue dots on, and just going to take my cord. In this case I'm going to make it 24 inches long. And I'm just going to lay my cord right, you see how that divots in between those two upper parts of the heart, the two loop-de-loop parts? See how it just kind of divots in? You're going to go right underneath there. And just lay your cord right down. So see, you still have the top divots, and you still got a little bit of this glue sticking out over the top of it, and that's important because now I'm just going to take my heart, stick it on top, and basically my necklace is done. All I need to do now is tie it off. So I'm just going to take my two ends. I like to do a little wrap around each other, then come back and do a little figure 8. Just tie them off. And pull that tight. And give it a little snip, and it's done. So easy, so cute. And there you have it, some super cute, super simple jewelry that is sweet enough to eat, literally. So I want to show you a couple little things. This is when you use more than one. It's kind of, I love it because it's kind of like Wilma Flintstone. Doesn't that kind of remind you of the Wilma Flintstone necklace? I love it. Anyway, you can do it out of other things too. I want to show you can make it out of gold coins so that you can show your honey that you want some money. And you can even mix in things like starbursts. As long as you have got a flat back candy, you are ready to roll. For more fun ideas that are super sweet, check us out at Sophie-World.com.